The history of the Indian flag is a journey through India's struggle for independence, reflecting the nation's evolving identity and aspirations. Here's a concise overview of the Indian flag's history and its changes. 1. The pre-independence era. First national flag, 1906. The first unofficial Indian flag was hoisted on 7th August 1906 in Parsi Bagan Square, Kolkata. This flag had 3 horizontal stripes of green, yellow, and red. The green stripe featured 8 white lotuses. The yellow had Vande Mataram written in Devanagari script, and the red stripe contained a crescent moon and a sun. Berlin Committee flag, 1907. The second flag was raised by Indian revolutionaries in Paris, inspired by the Berlin Committee, in 1907. It was similar to the first but had green, red, and yellow stripes. This flag was considered the first Indian flag to be hoisted on foreign soil. Home Rule Movement flag, 1917. During the Home Rule movement led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant, a new flag was adopted. It had 5 red and 4 green horizontal stripes arranged alternately, with 7 stars in the shape of the Great Bear constellation, Saptarishi. On the top left corner was the Union Jack, and on the top right was a white crescent and star. Gandhi's flag, 1921. Mahatma Gandhi proposed a flag during the All India Congress Committee session in 1921. Designed by Pingali Venkaiah, it had 3 horizontal stripes, white top, green middle, and red bottom. A spinning wheel, charkha, was placed in the center, symbolizing the self-reliance and economic freedom of India. The colors represented different communities: white for minorities, green for Muslims, and red for Hindus. 2. The final national flag, 1947. Adoption of the tricolor. As independence approached, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the current national flag on 22nd July 1947. The flag retained the tricolor concept but made some changes. It featured 3 horizontal stripes of saffron, top, white, middle, and green, bottom. The white stripe had a navy blue Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes in the center, replacing the charkha. 3. Symbolism of the current flag. Saffron represents courage, sacrifice, and the spirit of renunciation. White signifies truth, peace, and purity. Green symbolizes faith, fertility, and the land's richness. Ashoka Chakra, derived from the lion capital of Ashoka, it represents the eternal wheel of law, dharma, and is a symbol of progress and dynamism. 4. Post-independence usage. The Indian flag is a powerful symbol of unity and national pride. It is flown on significant occasions such as Republic Day, 26th January, Independence Day, 15th August, and Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. The flag has undergone no changes since its adoption in 1947 and remains a key emblem of India's sovereignty and democratic values. 5. Flag Code and Respect. The Indian Flag Code was modified in 2002 to allow citizens to hoist the flag on any day with due respect. The flag must be treated with honor, not touching the ground or water, and should not be used as a drapery or for any other form of decoration. This history of the Indian flag encapsulates the country's long struggle for independence and its eventual emergence as a sovereign nation. Each change in the flag represents a milestone in India's journey toward freedom and self-identity.